In this video, I will show you how to take out the audio that is existing in your recording and replace it with fresh audio that you've made separately. Move your cursor to the film clip you want to work with. Hold down the Control key and at the same time, click in the middle of your clip and you will get a pop-up menu. About halfway down that menu is the option to detach audio. Choose that and you will see the blue strip of audio move away from your video clip and turn green. You can also find detach audio under the modify menu. In this example, I am only removing the spoken audio and leaving the music. When you've split the audio, simply select each one and delete. Go to your Import Media button, locate your new recording, and import the file. When the new audio appears in my gallery, I will click and drag it beneath my video. Your video length may need adjusting once you add your new audio. Keep in mind that you can speed up and slow down clips to help make these things match.